So you see there, roadies, this is our hot water on demand panel, control panel. And for about the past week or so, this is what it's been doing. It just comes on, shuts off, and it comes on, shuts off. And then when we want to actually use it, sometimes it'll come on and let us use it, and other times it won't, so we have to wait until it beeps again and then come and see if it'll turn on for us or not. And like I said, sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. If you have any answers for us, we'd love to hear them before we start putting money into this contraption. Thanks for the help.